Jay, you tell me, Jay, if we are subtracting a number from itself, what we will get? Yes, Jay, tell me. Whenever a number is subtracted from itself, what we will get? Jay, are you there?
Just C.
C. And what is that answer?
0.
Yes. Very good, Jay. So whenever you are subtracting a number from itself, children, you will get 0. You will get 0. So children, you have to put a tick on option C and you have to write in this blank space also. J, very good. Write there 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. That's the correct answer. Okay. That's the correct answer. Remember this thing, whenever you are subtracting a number from itself, you will get 0. You will get 0. Fine. Now your bit C, that is 98 minus 89. You have to tell what you will get after subtracting 89 from 98. Okay, so what we will do, blank space is there. What we will do is we will write these two numbers here. Okay, so first we will write here 98. Okay, and please write here ones and tens also. Above this 8 write O. O stands for ones, and then above this 9 write T. T stands for tens. Okay, below this 98, what you will write, children? You will write here 89. Z, I can see you. Please sit properly. Yes. So write here 90. After 98, you have to write number 89, and then beside 8, you have to put minus sign. Okay. You have to put here minus sign, children, and then you have to subtract these two numbers. Okay. Now, Zaid, you tell me, is it possible to take away 9 from 8? Zed, is it possible to take away 9 from 8?
No, ma'am.
So what we will do?
We will take one. We'll take borrow.
Yeah, we will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. So this 9 will become, Zed, tell me what this 9 will become in tens place. We will,
8.
yeah, we will cut this 9 and we will write here 8 in tens place. Very good, Zed. And what this 8 will become in ones place?
18.
Very good. So we will cut this 8 in ones place and this 8 will become 18. That's correct. Very good. Okay. Yeah, Ashrit, now you tell me 18 minus 9, how much?
18.
Yeah, Ashrit, start counting after 9 and count till 18.
17. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. Answer is 9.
Okay, so you were counting backward, but still it's the correct answer. Answer is 9. Very good, Ashrit. And in tens place, 8 minus 8 is?
0.
Yeah, very good. Very good, Ashrit. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So answer is 9, children. So that is option D. So put a tick on option D. And here in this blank space, you all need to write 9. Write here 9. Yes, children, write fast. So answer is 9. If you will subtract 89 from 98, you will get 9. Okay. So this is your answer. Now those who have completed till here, you all can take out your math textbook. That is, I did it mathematics. Open page number 66 of your math textbook, children. Excuse me. Open page number 66 of your math textbook, children. I'll be clearing all this. I hope you all have finished writing. I'll clear all this. And open page number 66 of your math course book. That is my practice time 2. I did it mathematics. Open page number 66. Okay, so now we'll start 3-digit subtraction. Write date and classwork on page number 66. Above my practice time 2. Write date and classwork there. And today date is 5th August. Yeah. Okay, so now I'll be sharing my screen with you all. Excuse me. Yes, children. I hope by now you all know what is a 3-digit number. 3-digit number means if a number has 3 digit. 3-digit means you all can see here your first bit number is 742. How you will read this? In hundreds place you have your number 7. So this will be read as 700 and 42 we will read it together. So 4 to 42. So number is 742. Okay. So now again same procedure. We'll start subtracting the number in ones place first. Okay. So Dhruti Rati, unmute yourself and tell me. First bit, 2 minus 1 is how much?
1.
Very good. So we will write here 1. Okay, here in tens place, what we will write?
4.
Yes, we will write here 4 as it is because we don't have any other number here. So we will write this 4 as it is. Very good. And here in hundreds place?
7.
Yeah.
We also come as it is.
Yeah, 7 will come down as it is because there is no other number in hundreds place. So answer is 741. That's correct answer. Very good, Dhriti. Okay. Manvit, now you tell me answer for bit B. Manvit, 8 minus 5 is how much? 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we will write here 3. Okay. Manvit, what we will write in tens place? 9 will come as it is because there is no other number in tens place. And in hundreds place? Yeah. In hundreds place, 6 will come as it is because there is no other number in hundreds place. So answer is 693. 693. That's the correct answer. Okay. RN, sit down. Pathan, now you tell me answer for bit C. First read this question, Pathan. What is this? What is the question? Read that.
568 minus 37.
Very good. So now tell me 8 minus 7 how much?
1.
Very good. In ones place we will write 1. Now 6 minus 3?
3, ma'am.
Yes, very good. And what we will write in hundreds place?
We will write 5 as it is because there is no number.
Yeah, there is no other number than 5 in hundreds place. So we will write 5 as it is. Very good, Pathan. That's the correct answer. Okay, that's right. Now we'll move to bit D. Devansh? Devansh, am I audible to you? Devansh? Ashrita, now you tell me answer for bit D, Ashrita. First read that question quickly.
Ma'am, answer is 912.
No, Ashrita, first read question.
939
Yes.
and
939.
downside it's 27.
So you will read it as, Ashita, you have to read this minus sign also. So you will read it as 939 minus 27. How you will read?
939 minus 27.
Okay, so now tell me 9 minus 7, how much?
2.
Very good. So we will write here 2 in one's place. 3 minus 2?
2 minus 2 is 1.
No, 3 minus 2.
1.
Yes, and in hundreds place, what we will write?
9.
Very good. So write here 9. So answer is
912.
yes, that's the correct answer. Very good, Ashwita. Yes, Ashwita. Ashwita Nella.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you were raising your hand, Ashwita. Tell me. Yeah, Ashwita, you were raising your hand.
7 minus 7 is 0.
No, you were raising your hand. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so now first read bit E. Read that question.
Even.
Read that.
797.
Then,
97.
no, who will read this symbol? What is this symbol?
Minus 97.
Yeah. So now tell me in one's place what we will write. 7 minus 7?
0.
Yeah. Ashwita, your camera. Keep it properly. Okay, now in tens place. 9 minus 9?
0.
Yes. And in hundreds place, what we will write?
7.
Yeah, we will write here 7 as it is because there is no other number. Okay. That's the correct answer. Now, P. Shrehan, you tell me answer for bit F. F. Read that question first.
9 minus 9.
630.
Ma'am, first.
Read question.
Yes, P. Shrehan, I'm waiting.
639.
639
Yes, then.
minus 129.
Okay, now, very good. Now tell me in one's place what we will write. 9 minus 9 is?
0.
Yeah, so we will write here 0. And 3 minus 2?
1.
Very good. And in hundreds place, 6 minus 1?
5.
Yeah. So, what is the answer?
510.
Very good. Answer is 510. That's the correct answer. Very good. Krishika, now tell me answer for bit G. Krishika, answer for bit G.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read this first. Read this question. Read question number G.
478 minus 367.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Okay, so now, sorry, that's correct. Now tell me what we will write in one's place. 8 minus 7?
1.
Very good. Then 7 minus 6?
1.
Very good. And 4 minus 3?
1.
What is the answer? How you will read this number?
111, ma'am.
Very good. Answer is 111. Okay. Yeah, Shweta, you were raising your hand. Tell me. Don't tell me answer directly. Just tell me if you have any doubt. Do you have any doubt, Ashwita?
No, ma'am, I won't.
Huh?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If you have completed your work, that's very good. Other children should also get chance. Okay. So, Pratik, now you tell me answer for bit H. First, read that question. Read that question.
699
Yes, 690
minus
minus. Yes, minus.
289.
How you will read it as 289. How?
289.
Very good. So now tell me, Supratik, in ones place, 9 minus 9?
0.
Very good. And in tens place, 9 minus 8?
1.
Huh?
1.
Very good. And 6 minus 2?
4.
Very good. 400 and... Okay, Supratik, correct now.
410.
How you will read this number? 400 and...
410.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Answer is 410 children. Okay, that's the right answer. Okay, so we have completed this bit A. Is there any child who has any doubt in this? Yeah, is there any child who has doubt in this? Okay, children. So I'll clear all this now. I hope you all have finished this much. Children, I'm clearing all this now. Yeah. Okay, so I'll clear this. Now, come to page number 67, children. Page number 67. Page number 67. Again, subtraction. You have to solve these 3-digit problems. Okay, so you have to subtract a 3-digit number from a 3-digit number. Okay, you all can see that both are 3-digit numbers here. So first we will read this question and then we'll start subtraction. Okay, now the question is 460 minus 151. What is the question? Question is 460 minus 151, children. So now again we'll start subtracting the number in ones place first. Okay. Now see here. In ones place, children, we have 0 here and next number is 1, right? And always remember this thing, whenever we are subtracting two numbers, we always write the biggest number first. Kanishka, please pay attention. Okay, so now see here, children. Now we cannot take away 1 from this 0 because 1 is greater than 0. So what we will do, this is not possible. So we will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. What we will do? We will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. So this 6 in tens place will become 5. Children, look at your screen. Everyone, Dhriti, look at your screen. So this 6 will become 5 because we have to think of a number which is 1 less than the number in tens place, or you can say the number which comes just before that number. So 5 comes just before 6. Okay. Now what this 0 will become in ones place? We will cut this 0 and this 0 will become 10. This 0 will become 10. Okay. So now we have to subtract this 1 from this 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9, children. So we will write here 9. Okay. Now in tens place number is 5. First number is 5 and second number is also 5. So now 5 minus 5 is, Ashray, please look at your screen. So 5 minus 5 is 0, children, because you are subtracting a number from itself. So whenever you are subtracting a number from itself, answer is 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0. And here, children, 4 minus 1 is, what you will write in hundreds place? 4 minus 1 is 3. So here we will write 3. Answer is 309. Answer is 309, children. Okay. So we will write here 309. Fine. Okay. RN, unmute yourself. RN, unmute yourself and read question number B. Bit B. First read the question.
630 minus 540.
Okay, that's correct. 630 minus 540. Now in ones place, what do we have?
0.
Okay. So 0 minus 0 is?
0.
Very good. So we will write here 0. Now in tens place, RN, is it possible to take away 4 from 3?
No.
What we will do?
Borrow.
Borrow. So this time we will take borrow from the number in hundreds place, children. Children, pay attention here. You are doing these type of questions for the first time. Look here. This time we will take borrow from the number in hundreds place. So what this 6 will become?
5.
Yes, again same procedure. The 6 will become 5. One number less, okay. And what this 3 will become in tens place?
13.
Yeah, we will cut this 3 and this 3 will become 13, children. Okay, this 3 will become 13. Very good. So now Aryan, tell me 13 minus 4 how much? Yes, 13 minus 4.
9.
Very good. So 13 minus 4 is 9, children. We are writing here 9. And 5 minus 5?
0.
Yeah. So we will write here 0 in hundreds place. What is the answer? Read answer. Aryan, what is the answer?
90.
Is it 90 or 900? Huh? 90 or 900? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, yes, children. This is 90, not 900, okay? You should read it correctly. Very good, Aryan. That's the correct answer. Okay. Are there?
Ma'am,
Yes. Now you tell me answer for, sorry, first you read bit C. What is the question? Read that question.
423
Then after 433,
minus 233.
very good. Okay, so now, sorry, Adya, now in ones place, 3 minus 3, how much?
0, ma'am.
Very good, children. Here we are subtracting a number from itself. Answer is 0. Okay, so now Adya in tens place, is it possible to take away 3 from 2?
No, ma'am.
What we will do?
Borrow, ma'am.
We will take borrow from the number in hundreds place. So what this 4 will become?
4 will become
Yes.
4 will become 3, ma'am.
Very good. We will cut this 4 and this 4 will become 3. And children, you have to show this borrowing and cutting very neatly and properly. Okay. And what this 2 will become in tens place, are there?
12.
Very good. This 2 will become 12. Very good, Adya. So now tell me 12 minus 3, how much? Start counting after 3 and count till 12.
3, ma'am.
No. 12 minus 3, how much? Start counting after 3. After 3.
4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
How many fingers? How many fingers?
8, ma'am. 8, ma'am.
No, not. First of all, it's not 8. It's 8. And that's it.
Ma'am, 9.
Yeah. 12 minus 3 is 9, are there? And it's not 8. 8. Okay? It's 8. Yeah. Now in hundreds place, are there 3 minus 2?
1, ma'am. 1, ma'am.
Very good, Adya. That's correct. And children, it's not 8. It's 8. Okay? You should pronounce it as 8 only. Yeah. So now bit D. Akshaj.
Ma'am,
Yes. Read this question. Bit D. Quickly.
220 minus 125
Okay. So very good. That's correct.
equals
Akshad, wait.
85.
Akshad, wait.
Ma'am,
First, tell me what we will write in ones place. Is it possible to take away 5 from 0?
no, ma'am.
What we will do?
Carry forward.
No, that's not carry forward. Yes, children, those who have completed, keep on checking your answers.
Borrow, ma'am.
Yes.
Borrow.
We will take borrow from where?
From tens place.
Yes. So we will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. So what this 2 will become? We will cut
1.
this. Yes, this 2 will become 1. Okay. And what the 0 will become in one's place?
10.
10. Very good. Yes. Now tell me, Akshay, 10 minus 5. How much?
5.
Yes. So we will write here 5. Now, Akshay, tell me, is it possible to take away 2 from this 1?
No, ma'am.
What we will do?
Borrow.
Yeah, Dhriti Rathi, keep on checking your answers. Okay, so we will take borrow from the number in hundreds place. So what this 2 will become in hundreds place?
20.
Huh? No, what this 2 will become in hundreds place, Akshay? You have to think of a number which
1 and,
yeah, 2 will become 1. Okay. Now tell me
and
what this 1 will become in tens place?
10.
Not 10, Akshay. See here. This 1 will become 11 because again we will take 110 borrow only. Okay, we will take 110 borrow from the number in hundreds place. So this 1 will become 11 now. Okay, Akshat.
Okay, ma'am.
Now tell me, Akshat, 11 minus 2, how much?
As 9.
Yeah. Children, this is a new concept for you. Please pay attention. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'll explain again. 11 minus 2 is 9. That's correct, Akshat. And 1 minus 1, how much?
0.
Yeah, 1 minus 1 is 0. So we will write 0 in hundreds place. That's the correct answer.
95.
Yeah, answer is 95. Ashrit, you are showing your work, but I'm unable to see it properly. You can share it later on to WhatsApp. Akshay, that's the correct answer. Very good. Yes, Krishika?
Ma'am, I cannot see your screen, but I can see your laptop.
What is that? If you can see my laptop and why you cannot see my screen? Wait, let me ask. Tanishka, can you see what I'm sharing on my screen?
Tanishka,
Tanishka,
Ma'am,
can you see what I'm sharing on my screen?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Patan, can you see what I'm sharing on my screen? Patan.
Yes, ma'am.
Patan, Johar, can you see what I'm sharing on my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Krishika, see, there must be some problem from your side. Other children can see. Please check your connection. Okay, so now we'll move to bit E. Yes, children, bit E. Dhriti Reddy, read question number E. Dhriti Reddy, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now read that question, bit E.
318
318. Then after that, minus.
230.
Very good. Yes. Okay, Dhriti. So now that's correct. 318 minus 230. Now, Dhriti, tell me in ones place. 8 minus 0, how much?
8.
Very good. So 8 minus 0 is 8, children. Now, Dhriti, in tens place, is it possible to take away 3 from 1?
No.
What we will do?
Borrow.
From where?
3.
Yes, we will take 110 borrow from the number in hundreds place. So what this 3 will become?
2.
Yeah, so this 3 will become 2 in hundreds place. And what this 1 will become in tens place?
8.
No.
11.
Yeah, yeah. So this 1 will become 11 in tens place. That's correct. So now tell me, Dhriti, 11 minus 3, how much?
8.
Very good. 11 minus 3 is 8. We will write here 8 in tens place. That's the correct answer. And in hundreds place, Dhriti, 2 minus 2 is? Yes, Dhriti, in hundreds place.
0.
Yeah, 2 minus 2 is 0. That's the correct answer. Yes, Riti, now read this. How you will read this number? Riti, tell me what is the answer?
88.
Answer is 8888. Okay. Answer is 8888. Devansh, now are you there?
Devansh! Devansh!
Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
He's gone to the washroom actually.
Okay, no problem, ma'am.
Sorry.
That's okay, ma'am. That's okay. Okay, children. So now, bit F. Kushal, read question. Bit F.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, read it fast.
This is
Bit F.
with
Read that question.
Ammi, ఇది పెట్టండి. ఇది
Yes, Supratik.
బిట్
Supratik, you were raising your hand.
తొందరగా చెప్పు మమ్మీ. ఇది పెట్టి చెప్తాను. ఇదేంటో.
Huh?
read.
Okay, Supratik, first let me ask Kushal.
చెప్పమంటే అది రాయడు కాదు.
Get chance. Kushal, are you there? So you are not at all listening. Aslan, you read bit F. Aslan?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, read that question.
812
Very good.
minus 613.
That's correct. Now tell me, Aslan, is it possible to take away 3 from 2?
No,
So what we will do?
we'll take one borrow.
We will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. So what this 1 will become in tens place?
0.
Very good. This 1 will become 0. And what this 2 will become in ones place?
12.
Yes, we will cut this 2 and we will write here 12. Now tell me, Aslan, 12 minus 3, how much?
Nine.
12 minus 3 is?
9.
Yeah.
9.
Yes, that's the correct answer. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now, Aslan, in tens place, we have 0 and 1. Is it possible to take away 1 from 0?
No,
Then what we will do?
we'll take one borrow.
Okay, so now we will take 110 borrow from the number in hundreds place. What this 8 will become in hundreds place?
7.
Yes, this 8 will become 7 in hundreds place. And what the 0 will become in tens place now? We will cut this 0. What the 0 will become? Huh?
It will be 10.
Yes. Yes, children, now see properly. This 0 will become 10 now. We will cut this 0. Yeah. Now tell me 10 minus 1 how much?
9.
Yes, that's the correct answer. 10 minus 1 is 9. And 7 minus 6?
1.
1. What is the answer?
199.
That's the correct answer, Aslan. Very good. Answer is 199, children. Write this in your notebook. And you all have to show this borrowing and cutting properly. And it should be neat and clean, okay? Yes, write it down fast in your notebook, children. Okay. I hope you all have completed your work till here. So now we'll move to bit G. Yes. So now, children, I'm clearing all this. I'm clearing all this, children, now. Yes. So now, bit G. Lohit, read question number G. Bit G, Lohit, read that question fast. Lohit?
What's that?
Yes, read question number G quickly.
3.
Huh? No, you have to read this number together. Quickly. Lohit, are you there?
I'm there, ma'am.
Now read this question quickly. We don't have much time. Only 1 minute is left.
This one. 3 minus 7.
3 minus 7.
No, read this number together. 643. How you will pronounce it?
643.
643. Then which symbol?
Minus symbol.
Minus
Yes. After minus, what is this number?
457.
457 now. Okay, fine. So now, Lohit, now tell me, is it possible to take away 7 from this 3?
No.
So what we will do?
Borrow.
Borrow from where?
4.
Yeah. So we will take 110 borrow from the number in tens place. So this 4 will become?
3.
Yes. So this 4 will become 3, children. And what this 3 will become in ones place?
1 3 13.
Yes, this 3 will become 13. Now, Lohit, tell me 13 minus 7, how much?
6.
13 minus 7 is 6. Very good. And now tell me, Lohit, is it possible to take away 5 from this 3?
No.
So what we will do?
Borrow.